Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the left function in Excel. This versatile function is designed to extract a specified number of characters from the beginning left side of a text string. The left function is particularly useful when you need to isolate specific parts of text, such as extracting the first names from full names or getting a prefix from a code. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the left function. Here's what each part means. Text. This is the text string or cell reference from which you want to extract characters. Numchars, optional. This specifies the number of characters you want to extract from the beginning of the text string. If omitted, Excel will return the first character. Now let's look at our example. Suppose you have a list of full names in column A, and you want to extract just the first name from each. In cell A1, you have the name John Smith. In cell B1, we'll enter our left formula. Start by typing equals left. Next, we need to specify the text we want to extract from. Since the full name is in cell A1, we simply type A1. Finally, we'll specify the number of characters to extract. In this case, we'll extract the first 4 characters to get John. So we type 4 and close the parentheses. Press Enter and Excel will return John. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the left function to extract the first name from the full name. Let's consider a different scenario where you're working with a list of product codes and you need to extract the first 3 characters as a prefix. In column A, you have product codes like ABC12345. In cell B2, enter the formula equals left A23 and press Enter. Excel will return ABC, extracting the first 3 characters from the product code. The left function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Extracting first names. Quickly isolate first names from a list of full names. Product codes. Extract prefixes or specific parts of a product code for categorization or analysis. Data cleaning. Use left to extract consistent parts of text entries for standardization or further processing. That's it for today's tutorial on the left function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.